Wish you wonderful morning, kids. Hope you all are fine. Myself, Noshaba Fatima Ansari from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group of Kota. Kids, today I am going to teach you how to draw and color a beehive. Okay? But before that, take out your coloring book and open page number 21. You have to color very beautifully in it. Okay? Like this. Now, let's start our drawing. Kids, take out your pencil and sharpen it. Now we are going to draw beehive. Okay, first of all, draw sleeping line like this and curvy lines like this. Join these two ends with curve. Now put your pencil over here and make curve, wavy line over here. Now join these two ends with a curve. Now we are going to make small curves in slanting order like this. Now we are going to do the same on this side also. Small curves in slanting order. Now join these two ends with the large curve. These two ends join these two with a curve like this. Now put your pencil over here and draw one circle. And draw one curve here. Okay. Now put your pencil over here, kids. Make zigzag lines like this. You have to draw zigzag line like this, and we will draw bee over here, honey bee. Draw one circle, one curve like this, another curve, and join both the curves like this. Let's make strips on honeybee. Eyes and smile. Let's make wings and honeybee's antenna. Okay, and our beehive is ready. Now let's start coloring. Take out your black crayon. We will do outline first. Okay, start from here and do it neatly. Okay, now take out your brown crayon and color in this part, okay, like this. Now take out yellow crayon and start coloring in beehive. Kids, don't go out of this black line, okay, and do it very neatly. Kids, don't color in this part, okay, leave it blank. Now let's color in honeybee. Do yellow color in this strip and in honeybee's face. Now take out black crayon and color in remaining strips. And draw one small triangle over here. Now take out blue crayon and color in honeybee's wings. And see kids, our beehive is ready. Kids, in this way you have to color in a beehive, okay? And don't forget to mention date and classwork at the top. Have a nice day. Thank you.